my beautiful grandchild. Hello, say hello. That is Chelsea, the panganay. What is panganay in English? And this is older, that is older. And this is beautiful Stephanie. Ayan. They are leaving Lola. Oh. Malulungkot na si Lola. Chelsea. You're leaving Lola na. Step. So, where are you going? Canada. They are going to Canada. They are migrating to Canada. So, malulungkot kami. We're lonely. Wala na sila. Alis na sila. I hope your make a vacation here after 2 years siguro. At Chelsea, mga dalaga na kayo. Busy sa cellphone si Chelsea, oh. Are beautiful. So, alis na sila sa Monday. Mag-greet na sila sa Canada kasi nandun na yung mami nila. 1 year is your mommy there in Canada, Chelsea? 1 year, no? 1 year na siya, mami mo in Canada. 2 years na ba? 2 years?
I don't know.
No, 1 year. Not last year. Nauna na doon yung kanilang mami. So, susunod sila ng kanilang daddy sa Canada. So, we will surely miss you. Ayan, mga beautiful kong apo.